Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove potassium from potatoes. First, peel your potatoes completely and then cut them into small, uniform pieces, ideally about 1/8 inch thick. This increases the surface area for potassium to leach out. After cutting, rinse the potato pieces under cold running water for several minutes to remove surface starch and some initial potassium. Next, transfer your prepared potato pieces into a large bowl. It's important to cover them with a generous amount of warm water, at least 10 times the volume of the potatoes themselves. This warm water helps draw out the potassium. Allow the potatoes to soak for a minimum of 2 hours, and for even better results, you can extend this to 4 hours. After the initial soaking period, carefully drain all the water from the bowl. This water now contains a significant amount of the potassium that has leached out. Rinse the potato pieces thoroughly with fresh, cold water. Then, repeat the entire soaking process by covering them with fresh warm water for another 2 hours to further reduce potassium content. Finally, after the second soaking period, drain the potatoes completely. Give them one last thorough rinse under cold water to ensure all loose potassium and starch are removed. Your potatoes are now ready for cooking. You can boil, bake, or prepare them in any way you prefer, knowing their potassium content has been significantly reduced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.